Hello students, today we are going to see the part 2 extract of the lesson Into the Wild. This part has been extracted from Sea and Traveller magazine published by Land Rover India. It is about Shah Zung, known for his wildlife photography. It briefs us about his entry into this world of wildlife photography, the insight that he received during this journey regarding the loss of the habitat of those heroes of the jungle, means the wild animals like leopard, panther, and the genuine efforts that he took by establishing BCRTI for conservation of forest by educating the local rural folks and providing them with a sound, reliable source of income. Let's start. Tracking the panther of Nagarhole. Shah Zung is a wildlife photographer. The person named Shah Zung, he is a wildlife photographer, cinematographer. Cinematographer here means a photographer who operates a movie camera. A big cat tracker means he also tracks the big cat, like you can say a panther. A man animal conflict resolution seeker. Now students, usually there are some villages which are very close by to the jungles, so always we find when the wild animals, they if they don't find their prey in the jungle, they go towards the village side and cause harm to the animals which are domesticated by the villagers, or they also destroy the farms. So because of that, what happened, these villagers, they try to cause harm to the wild animals in return. So there is a conflict between man and animal in those area. So here this person named Shah Zung, he also tried to resolve the conflict between the man and animal. We'll see in the lesson further how he does that. And he is also a lodge owner, all rolled into one. When he is away from the jungles of Nagarhole, officially called the Rajiv Gandhi National Park, he is leading photography safaris in Africa or showcasing his work at art galleries in capital cities and speaking to those interested in conserving the planet's riches. Now here we come to know that this person Shah Zung, when he is not in the jungle of Nagarhole, he is leading the safaris in Africa or he is also showcasing his work at art galleries. He also speak to the people who are interested in this photography or the conserving the planet riches, means the wild animals here. Shah's recalls with great clarity the incident that ultimately leads to his answering the call of felines over a career dedicated to finance. Means he recalls, means it comes into his mind that the incident which made him just give up his career in finance and answer the call of the felines. Felines here means the animals which resemble a cat. It was somewhere around sunset. Now he is telling us about the incident. It was somewhere around the sunset where at a junction. Junction means what? A place. The deer were calling. He says, we went around a blind turn. Means he's saying the deers were calling, so we just went around a blind turn, means we didn't knew where to go. He continues, and up ahead on the path was this old leopard, and then when they were moving further, they came across or they saw a old leopard. You could tell he was past his prime. Now past his prime is a phrase here which means no longer active or good in health or good at something. So as the leopard has grown old, so he was seen when the, you can say, writer, when he saw him, he realized that he was no longer active or good in health. You could tell he was past his prime. The jungle had taken a toll on him. Now, as he was first when he was young, he used to you can say hunt or kill the animals and eat them up. Now as he has grown old, he is no more active, so now the jungle is trying to cause harm to him. He only, means the animals who are there in the jungle, he only had 3 canines. Canines here means resembling a dog. His eyes were sagging, means as he was grown old, so he has drooping eyes. Close to this leopard was another very young, good looking male who was soon to come into his prime. Means nearby only, there only the writer saw another very good looking young leopard. He was into his prime, means what? He was good in health, very active. It was like looking at the past and the present. When he saw both of them, it was like the first one was past and the second one is the present. It was clear that there was going to be a fight. Unfortunately, the sun was setting and we had to leave. Now he realized, now as both of them are there, so now there will be fight for sure, but as the sun was setting, though, they had to leave. But next morning I went back to the spot. Now the writer is saying, but next morning he again went to the spot where he had seen both the leopards. Sitting on a high rock was that young leopard. Blood was dripping from his gash across his face. Means when he saw the leopard there, he was sitting on the rock there as if he is the king of the jungle, and the blood was dripping from his gash, means long deep cut from around, like from his mouth here. He sat there like he was the king of the jungle. I knew right then that he had taken over, means he had killed the old leopard, and that it was the beginning of a new journey for him and for me. And for me here means writer, now he has a new animal here whom he can track. Photographs of that leopard, the victor, Scarface, as Shah named him, not only made Shah's famous among India's wildlife community, but also led to Shah's enviable reputation as a chronicler of wild. Means here is saying, as he has taken photographs of the young leopard, he is calling him the victor, and he has also named his as Scarface. So he is saying with these photographs, it not only made him famous among the India's wildlife community, but also led to Shah's enviable reputation. Means other people also envied him that they should also take this kind of you can say profession and become famous as a concealer of wild. Concealer here means a person who makes an account of events when they happen. Means he used to track those and wild animals and make a note of each and every movement of them. Through my journey of photographing Scarface, I discovered other leopards. Means when he started photographing Scarface here in the jungle, he also discovered other leopards, his mates, and discovered his nemesis, here tigers. I also discovered the current protagonist of my work, Saya. Now he also discovered another animal, and he has given him name as Saya while tracking Scarface. This is the world's first Black Panther. And who is this Saya? Saya is the first Black Panther, the behavior of which is being documented so intimately on camera by tracking its movement. Means behavior of this Saya is very minutely, very intimately, very closely been documented, and the movements are being tracked. So far, all the research on the animal has been done through camera traps. Means all the research on this animal has been done through camera trap. A camera trap is a remotely activated camera that is equipped with a motion sensor or uses a light beam as a trigger for capturing the animals. Through many months of toil means hard work, Shaz has managed to collect precious footage, including that of animal mating, to piece together the incredible landscape of a black panther's life. Means he has done lot of hard work by taking or collecting precious footages of animal mating and all, and he has pieced together, means what, he has joined all those footages together to showcase or to show us the life of Black Panther. Saya means the Black Panther, Scarface the young leopard, and Pardus is the old leopard. The leopard that lost to Scarface have also led Shaz down a different path of discovery. Means it has also led Shaz to a different path of discovery. Learning about them and the loss of their habitat has led Shaz to create a buffer conflict resolution trust of India. Means he, when he was trying to take footages of these all three animals, he learned or he came to know about the loss of their habitat, means how they are losing their habitat, where means the place they live, and because of that what happened, Shah has created BCRTI here means Buffer Conflict Resolution Trust of India. It is an agency that educates villagers who live on the fringe of the forest on the importance of conservation. Means this agency educates the villagers who live on the fringe, means very close on the border of the forest, and it tells them the importance of conservation, means to protect these animals. We are in the heart of the man animal conflict zone. What he tells them, what he explains them, that we are in the heart of man animal conflict zone. Usually there is conflict between man and animal in these areas, because what happen, these animals, when they don't find their prey, they enter the village and they try to cause harm or kill the animals which are domesticated by the villagers, or they also destroy the farms of the villagers. There is no specific buffer zone here around Nagarhole. The core area of the forest ends where the field begins. Means he is saying the core area of the forest ends where the field begins of the villagers. In dry season, elephant and wild boar incursion into the forest are very common. Means what happen in the dry season, elephant and wild boar, they attack or they enter the forest and farms and destroy them. Older leopards like Pardus who have lost territory in the forest often carry away livestock from villages. Means old leopards now who are not at all active, they have no energy to go run around and catch other animals and eat them up. So what happened, they just go to the villages and they you can say kill the animals which are domesticated by the villagers and eat them up. This create resentment among the locals towards the animals. So because of that what happened, the villagers, they become angry with the animals, on occasions leading to unpleasant situation. Means what happened, they try to kill the animal. Putting tourist currency to good use under the BCRTI umbrella. Now here Shaz is what he is doing, he trying to put the currency, means when the tourists come to visit these jungles here, so the money they are paying as a ticket here to get entry into the jungle, so he is making use of that money. Here Shaz provide local with vocational training, means he is providing them vocational training with the aim of educating locals on the merits of conservation and to help them benefit from tourist currency. Means he is educating them how to conserve this animal, how to conserve the forest, and also helping them to know how to make benefit from the tourist currency. The visitors at the resort are welcome to volunteer to teach skill training class for their choice. The visitors at the resort, he also owns a lodge here. So here when the visitors come, they are welcome to volunteer to teach skill training. The acquired skill enable locals to find employment with any of the numerous wildlife resorts in the region, if not a faraway city. Means because of this, what happened? The skills which have been taught to the villagers here, it enables them to get employment from the you can say tourists who are coming to visit this jungle. Madegowda is one such local agriculturist who is trained at BCRTI and now a certified naturalist employed by the bison. Means here Madegowda is one such local agriculturist. Means he is a farmer by his profession, Madegowda, but now he is trained at BCRTI and he is certified naturalist now. Means he know how to conserve the you can say animals or plants here jungles here by the bison. In the past, I have lost almost 80% of a season's yield of sugarcane to such animal attacks. Now he is telling us one incident. He is telling here that he has lost 80% of his season's yield. The farm was destroyed by the animal attack here. I used to hate them. He is telling he used to hate animals, but now I have learned how important these animals are and the value of protecting them. Means how important these animals are and what is their value and why we should protect them. I have known these jungles for 35 years. Now he is the villager close by to the jungle. So he is saying that he knows this jungle for 35 years. I know where the animals are. Means he know where which animal are found. And I realize I can guide visitors. So he says, now I've realized I can guide the people who are coming to visit this jungle, because he knows where which animal is found at what time, and as he will guide them very nicely, he will get paid for it. So it will become an earning for him. In a way, the animals are paying me back, he is saying. The forests have taught me many things. For instance, listening is a sense far more important than sight. Now he is saying the forest has taught me many things. The forest has taught him many things, like listening is a sense far more important than sight. Listening is very important here. When any sound, means the villagers, when at the night time or and all, when they listen very carefully, they come to know which is the sound, or where they will find which animal at what time and all. So they are saying that listening is a sense far more important than sight. With the sound they can come to know which animal, sniffing of the animal, they come to know that here the animal is there. You have to switch off your vehicle, sit and listen, for the forest is constantly communicating through the voices of birds and animals. He is saying you have to just switch off your vehicle, sit and listen carefully. You will find the forest is continuously communicating through the voices of birds and animals. Tracking an animal also teaches you life lesson. To track an animal is also a life lesson, he is saying. The Black Panther has taught me patience. He is saying the Black Panther has taught him patience. But above all, it has taught me never to stop discovering. But it has also taught him that never to stop discovering. First he was tracking the pardas, then he started tracking the young leopard, that is the surface. There are just so many amazing experiences to learn and share with the world. He's saying all these experiences which you are experiencing here you can share with the world, and world will also come to know about the wildlife. I hope you have understood the lesson. Thank you.